In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your credit card information in FreshBooks. Keeping your payment information up to date is essential for seamless billing processes, especially if you rely on FreshBooks for managing your accounting needs. Let's dive into the steps, starting from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and head over to the FreshBooks website. You can do this simply by searching for FreshBooks on Google, or directly entering the URL in your browser's address bar. FreshBooks is a popular accounting software, so the website should be easy to find. Once you're on the FreshBooks homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Give that a click. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you enter them correctly to access your account. If you have trouble remembering your password, use the password recovery option. With that done, you should now be on your FreshBooks dashboard. From your dashboard, locate the Settings option. This is where you can control most of your account configurations, including updating your payment methods. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page where various settings options are available. Now search for the Payments and Client Billing section. Here, you can manage everything related to your payment methods and how you bill your clients. Click on it, and next, find the Payment Options link. Click there to proceed to the next step. You might see a Get Started button, prompting you to set up or update your payment information. This is an important step because FreshBooks needs to store your current payment details to facilitate smooth transactions. Click Get Started to move forward. At this point, you'll be given options to connect your FreshBooks account with various payment processing tools. FreshBooks offers connections with third-party services to ensure secure transactions. One of the main options available is connecting with Stripe. Stripe is a widely used payment processor that allows you to manage payments efficiently. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also connect with PayPal. PayPal is another reliable service that many businesses trust for their payment processing needs. Depending on your preference and business requirements, choose either Stripe or PayPal by clicking on the respective option. That wraps up the process of updating your credit card information in FreshBooks. Simply confirming your details will enable you to maintain uninterrupted access to your FreshBooks services. Regularly updating your financial details not only ensures uninterrupted service, but also contributes to safeguarding your financial security. Remember, keeping your account up to date is key for smooth operations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.